Here we're working on a 2011 model year Porsche with a 4.8. We have a coolant leak in the valley. When the coolant leaks into the valley like this, you will see it come out between the engine and the transmission bell housing on the bottom. It leaks into the valley and fills up, and then there's a hole in the back where it goes in between the transmission. Fun fact, this is also where your starter is, so if you need to replace your starter, it is right here underneath this fuel rail. We're going to be replacing this plastic line and this thermostat, which is two of the common points of failure. On mine, this thermostat was leaking. So this is your thermostat right here. It goes into this hole. Whenever you install it, make sure this is facing up because you'll need to connect that heater element. This is your thermostat part number. And this is the part number for that plastic line, which will have 2 bolts in the front. So it can leak here at these connections, or this line can actually split. If these gaskets leak, they will also go into the valley, and if this O-ring in the back of this pipe leaks, it will also go into this valley. So those are some of the points that will leak, that will end up in the valley, that will end up with you having coolant on the ground between your bell housing and the engine. And the connection on the back of this line is a quick connect. But if you are getting coolant that's coming out between your engine and bell housing, this is likely where it's going to be. So you have your thermostat seals that'll leak, plastic pipe that can leak at the connection here, or the pipe can just split. You have an O-ring right here in this pipe that could leak, and then these gaskets could also leak, and that will be your cause of coolant coming out from between your bell housing and engine. Also, again, if your starter goes bad, it's also right here. So hope this helps.